hello there, I'm Jordi from JorDinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we're making an Egyptian lentil soup. Yes, you heard it right, an Egyptian lentil soup. Super delicious with lots of flavors and your whole house will smell like Egypt, I don't know. So, let's start.
First we need to do some prep work. So, cut your onion, your carrots and your tomatoes. Now put some extra virgin olive oil or any oil you like in a big pot and squeeze in a clove of garlic. Go ahead and use more if you like garlic, but since I'm Dutch, I can't handle that stuff. Put in your diced onion, carrot and tomatoes. Cook this over medium heat until the tomatoes are sticking to the bottom of the pan. Now put in the cumin, salt, tomato paste and black pepper and cook this until the tomato paste is turned brown and is starting to caramelize. Dump in the dried red lentils and stir together. Add all of the water and let this simmer for around 25 minutes or until the soup is thickened and the lentils are cooked. Add some dried or fresh coriander and a teaspoon of smoked paprika powder. Grate the zest of a lemon and squeeze in the juice. Now blend everything together until smooth. And there you go! You've made your own lentil soup.
And that's it. I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video and let me know down in the comments what you want to see next, and I'll see you in the next one.